In the heart of a bustling Middle Eastern city, there lived a devout and wise Islamic scholar named Sheikh Karim. He was known for his teachings on the importance of self-reflection and focusing on one's own actions rather than constantly comparing oneself to others. One sunny afternoon, a young man named Rafiq approached Sheikh Karim, troubled by his habit of frequently comparing himself to his peers. "Sheikh, I find myself often envious and unhappy because I measure my worth against others. How can I overcome this?" Sheikh Karim nodded and invited Rafiq to join him in the peaceful courtyard of the mosque. The gentle breeze rustled the leaves of the ancient olive trees as they began their conversation. Sheikh Karim shared an Islamic story with Rafiq to impart the wisdom he sought. In the Quran, the Sheikh began, "There is a verse that reminds us of the importance of focusing on our own deeds. It says, 'So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it, and whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it.'" Rafiq contemplated these words, realizing the significance of personal accountability. The wise Sheikh continued, "Envy and comparison distract us from our own path and the opportunities for self-improvement. Instead, focus on your intentions and actions. Use the success of others as inspiration, not a cause for jealousy." Over time, Rafiq embraced this lesson. He learned to redirect his energy towards self-improvement and personal growth, rather than dwelling on what others had or achieved. Sheikh Karim's teachings resonated deeply with Rafiq, and he found solace in the Quranic wisdom. He learned that by focusing on his own journey and striving to do good, he could find contentment and a stronger connection with his faith. The story of Rafiq and Sheikh Karim serves as a reminder that in Islamic tradition, self-improvement, self-reflection, and personal accountability are key to spiritual growth. Comparing oneself to others can lead to envy and discontent, while focusing on one's own deeds can bring peace and fulfillment.